elevator going up, busy, so I turn my phone off. I'm crazy and messed up, now I can't talk. And I hate to admit, I took you real deep in my lungs.